Hey everyone, welcome back to the video. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix problem communicating with Google servers in simple and easy steps. Step 1. Understand the error. The error usually happens during Google sign-in. It's commonly caused by network issue, incorrect date and time, or app sync problems. Step 2. Check your internet connection. Open settings on your iPhone and make sure Wi-Fi and mobile data is turned on. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to refresh the connection. Step 3. Set date and time automatically. First go to the settings, then tap on general, then date and time. Turn on set automatically. Incorrect time settings can block Google authentication. Step 4. Close and reopen the app. Swipe up from the bottom and pause to open the app switcher. Close the app showing the error, then reopen it and try sign in again. Step 5. Restart your iPhone. Press and hold the power and volume buttons, then slide to power off. Wait for 10 seconds, then turn your iPhone back on. Step 6. Reset network settings. First go to the settings, then general, then transfer or reset, then tap on reset. Choose reset network settings, then reconnect to Wi-Fi and try again. And that's how you can fix the problem communicating with Google servers errors on an iPhone. And that's it. I hope you like this video. If you find this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.